Today we are talking about one of the best investment sites in the world. It's called Goz Mining. Go to this site by clicking on the link in the description below. Then you will see an interface like this. You must register first, click sign up for it, then just fill out this form. Then click on this CAPTCHA and log in to your account. I already have an account, so I click on sign in and log in to my account. If you do everything right, you will get an interface like this. Here you get the registration bonus. It's $10. You have now received a referral link. Remember, this referral link is very valuable, it can earn you more money. Now let's see how to make money. YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter. It is through these that we can earn money. Here's how to do it. Make a video about Goz Mining and upload it to your YouTube channel. You can earn from a minimum of $10 to a maximum of $3,000. Here's how to do it. Especially you should put your referral link in the description of your video. If someone clicks on your referral link, Goz Mining will know that you made a video on YouTube, so they pay you for the video you made. So, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, also make posts about Goz Mining. That's all you have to do and they will pay you. In addition, you can earn money even if you invest. Don't forget to subscribe us, to try this too. Have a nice day, goodbye.